Can I use multiple Visa gift cards to make one purchase?
Hello, welcome to our video tutorial. Today we'll be tackling a question that many of you have asked: can I use multiple Visa gift cards to make one purchase? We'll discuss whether it's possible, and if so, how to go about it.
Can I use multiple Visa gift cards for a single purchase?
The answer is yes. You can use multiple Visa gift cards for a single purchase, as long as the combined balance of the cards covers the total amount of the purchase. It's important to note that not all online and physical retailers may allow you to split a single purchase across multiple payment methods, so it's always a good idea to check their payment policies first.
How can I use multiple Visa gift cards for a single purchase?
To use multiple Visa gift cards for a single purchase, you generally follow these steps. 1. At the physical store checkout, inform the cashier that you intend to split the payment. Tell them the exact amount you want to deduct from each card. 2. Online checkout. This can be a bit more challenging as not all online merchants allow multiple payment methods. However, there are workarounds, like loading your gift cards into mobile payment apps like Apple Pay or Google Wallet, or purchasing store-specific gift cards. Do remember though, these workarounds may not always be applicable depending on the retailer's policies and your region.
What are the potential issues when using multiple Visa gift cards for a single purchase?
There are a few things to watch out for. 1. Store policies. As mentioned earlier, some stores may not allow multiple payment methods for a single purchase. 2. Insufficient funds. Ensure the total amount on your gift cards covers the cost of your purchase. Transactions can be denied if there's not enough balance. 3. Expiration date. Check the expiration date of your Visa gift cards. Even if a card still has balance, it becomes unusable after its expiration date. To wrap up, using multiple Visa gift cards for a single purchase is possible and can be a fantastic way to maximize the value of those gift cards you've been collecting. Remember to check store policies, ensure you have enough funds, and always be mindful of the expiration date. We hope this video has been helpful and made your shopping experience smoother.